The 1976 Bicentennial quarter is one of the most loved coins in America because of its special drummer design and the way it celebrates the 200th birthday of the United States, but what many people don't know is that a few rare versions of this coin are worth far more than pocket change, sometimes hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars. And these amazing finds have shocked both new collectors and experts. Even though more than 1 billion of these quarters were made, only a small number are rare enough to bring big money, and those are the coins collectors dream about. When people think of the Bicentennial quarter, they imagine a common old coin that everyone used to see every day, but hidden in that huge number of coins are some special ones that have errors, wrong metal, deep shine, perfect strike, or super high grades, and these special versions can sell for unbelievable amounts. Some of the most valuable Bicentennial quarters are the ones made of silver, especially the ones in perfect proof condition, because these proof coins have a mirror-like shine and sharp details, and when they are graded as perfect, they can sell for thousands of dollars. A few of these silver proof coins in perfect grade have sold for over $10,000 because collectors love flawless coins that look like they just left the mint. There are also rare Denver Mint Bicentennial quarters in super high grades, and even though millions of coins were made in Denver, most of them were made for regular use, which means they got scratches, hits, dirt, and wear, so finding one that is perfect or almost perfect is extremely rare, and this is why some of the highest graded Denver coins have sold for $3,000 to $6,000, and a few special ones have even passed $20,000 in big auctions. But the real surprise comes from the rare mint errors, because these mistakes are the reason some Bicentennial quarters have reached massive values. The mint sometimes struck coins on the wrong type of metal disc, called a planchet, and when a Bicentennial quarter is struck on the wrong planchet, it becomes a rare treasure. Some were struck on silver planchets by mistake, and these rare wrong metal coins can sell for $10,000 to $50,000 because they are almost never seen and collectors fight for them. There are also Bicentennial quarters struck on dime planchets, which makes the coin look smaller and cut off on the edges, and these unusual errors can sell for $5,000 to $15,000. Even more rare are the Bicentennial quarters struck on nickel planchets, which change the color and weight of the coin, and these can sell from $7,000 to over $20,000 depending on condition. The rarest of all are the Bicentennial quarters struck on foreign coin planchets, and because these are so strange and rare, some of them have reached $30,000 to even over $100,000, making them some of the most shocking Bicentennial quarter finds ever recorded, and collectors still watch auctions hoping one appears. There are also Bicentennial quarters with strong doubling, where parts of the design appear doubled because the die shifted during minting, and strong doubling on the words, numbers, or the drummer's details increases value a lot. These doubled coins can sell from a few $100s all the way to more than $10,000 if the doubling is strong and the coin is in excellent condition. Another thing collectors search for is a Bicentennial quarter with full drum detail, which means the fine lines on the drummer's drum are sharp and clear, and these are hard to find because most coins have weak strikes. Coins with full drum detail in high grade can sell from $1,000 to $5,000, and these coins are often snapped up fast by serious collectors. With so many people checking their old change for rare coins, it is important to know what signs to look for in a valuable Bicentennial quarter. People should check for shiny surfaces with no scratches, sharp details in the drummer's face and drum lines, clear letters, and bold edges. They should also listen for a different ring sound, because silver coins sound different from regular coins. Checking the weight is important too, because a coin that weighs too much or too little might be a rare mint error. Even small details like doubling on the letters or numbers, strange color, or a slightly smaller size could mean the coin is a rare treasure worth far more than face value. The history behind the 1976 Bicentennial quarter makes these rare finds even more exciting, because the coin was made to celebrate a special moment in the United States, and finding a rare version of this historic coin feels like discovering a hidden piece of the past. Even though most Bicentennial quarters are still worth only 25 cents, a small group of rare coins with perfect condition, special shine, or unusual errors can be worth more than anyone expects, and that is why collectors and beginners love searching through their old jars and drawers hoping to find one of these special coins. These rare bicentennial quarters prove that sometimes the most ordinary-looking coin can hide a huge surprise, and people all over the world continue to search for the next big find. So en plain sight.